We are pleased to now welcome in Congressman Andy Ogles. Great to have you, Congressman. So curious to get, obviously, you're behind this. What do you believe, or why do you believe Judge Allison Burroughs, her ruling, it crossed the line from a legal disagreement to an impeachable offense?
Well, when you look at the recent case just weeks ago, Mullen versus Doe, the president has complete authority to end TPS, temporary protected status. And so this judge has a long history of activism. So when Harvard was using race-based admissions, the Trump administration looked to withhold federal dollars. It was this judge that blocked that attempt. It's this judge who continually, over and over again, is ruling against the Trump administration, not because of true legal basis, but because of her activism as a judge. So if she wants to be an activist, she can take off her robe and go do that full time. But she has a job to do. The Supreme Court has ruled on this issue, and that's why I filed the articles of impeachment.
Representative, I think that Americans watching what's been going on in the court system, could get the sense that the judicial system is trying to run the entire country, is trying to force the policies that they want. Is that kind of the sense that you've been getting, and what might be the impetus behind trying to shut this down?
Absolutely. I mean, our founding fathers warned us against a too powerful judiciary. And what you're seeing over time is that the judiciary's become another legislative branch of government. Now, part of that is the fault of Congress for allowing the judiciary to legislate from the bench. But I believe in going back to the intent of our founders and telling these judges, you do your job, we'll do ours. But if you're going to try and legislate from the bench and you do so in violation of law, or quite frankly, in violation of a Supreme Court ruling, you're going to find articles of impeachment against you. And I think this is a case where she's standing with Somalis who are defrauding the United States government and the taxpayer versus standing with Americans in the judicial system. I think Americans are tired of this crap. And quite frankly, I think if there is an impeachment that should move forward, it should be this one.
Thank you so much for joining us, Tennessee Congressman Andy Ogles. We will continue tracking how this progresses. Appreciate your time.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.